Packing for a trip is something most people dread, but did you know that 1 in 5 travelers end up overpacking? That's right, overpacking can not only weigh you down physically but also stress you out mentally. Studies show that travelers with heavy luggage are 35% more likely to feel anxious before their flight. And let's be real, nobody wants to waste precious vacation time digging through a suitcase full of unnecessary stuff. What if there was a way to pack smarter and faster? Imagine being able to breeze through airport security, fit everything into one carry-on, and still have everything you need for your trip. Sound impossible? It's not. In this guide, we're going to reveal simple strategies that will help you pack like a pro. From tech gadgets to space-saving tricks, we've got you covered. Stick with me, and by the end of this, you'll know exactly how to pack efficiently and stress-free for your next adventure. Chapter 1. The Ultimate Packing Blueprint. Master your travel game. Packing doesn't have to be a last-minute rush. Think of it as an art form. It's all about having a plan. Start by listing everything you think you need. It might seem a bit old school, but it's proven to reduce the stress of forgetting essential items. Studies show that travelers who plan ahead tend to forget 30% fewer items. Try to create a packing blueprint by dividing your items into categories: clothes, toiletries, tech gadgets, and essentials. This not only helps you stay organized but also ensures you don't overpack. A great strategy here is to pack for the worst, but hope for the best. Always plan for unexpected weather or events. Think of that rainy day in Paris, or the cool evenings in the mountains, and pack 1 or 2 versatile layers. Remember the 80-20 rule. 80% of your items will likely be worn on your trip, while the other 20% are for emergencies. So, focus on versatile clothing that can do double duty. For example, a jacket that can be both a raincoat and a stylish layer is a must-have. A little pro tip: keep a digital packing list on your phone. This ensures that even if you forget your physical list, you'll always have access to it and can check off items as you pack. Chapter 2. Clothes on a Mission. Pack smart, travel light. Traveling light is one of the greatest gifts you can give yourself. Let's face it, lugging around heavy suitcases is no fun. Studies have found that travelers with lighter bags are 35% less stressed at airports. To achieve this, think strategically about your clothing choices. Instead of packing multiple pairs of jeans, opt for one versatile pair that can go with almost anything. Layering is your best friend. A good rule of thumb is to pack clothes that can easily transition from day to night. That black dress you wear at night can also work as a beach cover-up during the day. Here's the fun part. Rolling clothes instead of folding them can save you up to 60% more space in your bag. Plus, it minimizes wrinkles. If you haven't tried rolling your clothes yet, it's a game changer. The best part? It helps you stay organized. Stack your shirts, pants, and jackets in rolls instead of piling them up. You'll be amazed at how much more you can fit into your suitcase. Additionally, packing cubes are not just a trend, they're a lifesaver. These little bags help you organize your clothes by type, making it easier to access what you need without dumping everything out. Plus, it keeps everything wrinkle-free. And if you're heading to a place with a different climate, packing a weather-appropriate capsule wardrobe is a great trick. You can mix and match items, so you only need to pack a few pieces that can serve multiple purposes. Chapter 3. The Art of the Space Saver. Tricks to stash more with less. Packing smart isn't just about the clothes, it's also about using every inch of your luggage. Let's talk space-saving tricks. For example, did you know that placing socks inside your shoes can save a surprising amount of space? Not only does this maximize the room in your bag, but it also keeps your shoes from getting crushed. You can stuff shoes with socks, rolled-up belts, or small accessories. Next, consider vacuum seal bags for bulkier items like jackets or sweaters. These bags suck out all the air and compress the fabric, which saves a lot of space. According to travel experts, vacuum seal bags can reduce the size of your clothing by up to 75%. This is especially helpful when you need to pack heavier items but want to avoid overstuffing your suitcase. Another unique tip is to use your phone charger cord as a tool for extra storage. For example, Wrapping cords around a small object like a portable charger or even your toothbrush case can help keep everything neat and avoid tangling. Plus, it saves room for other essentials. Finally, one trick many seasoned travelers swear by is wearing your bulkiest items during the flight. This means wearing your heavy jacket, boots, or even a scarf that can double as a blanket. It might feel a bit cumbersome at first, but it frees up precious packing space. It's all about being practical and thinking ahead. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more clever packing tips and travel hacks. Chapter 4. Tech Gear Essentials. Gadgets you didn't know you needed. Traveling today means that we're never far from our gadgets. But packing the right tech gear can make all the difference in how smooth your trip goes. Let's face it, we all want to stay connected, entertained, and organized while traveling, but lugging around unnecessary tech can quickly weigh you down. According to a survey, 70% of travelers say they use tech gadgets to help plan, navigate, or enhance their trip experience. But which gadgets are truly essential? First things first, a portable charger is non-negotiable. There's nothing worse than your phone dying when you need it most. A high-quality portable charger can keep your devices powered up for hours, especially when you're on long flights or in transit. On average, travelers spend over 3 hours a day using their smartphones while traveling, so make sure you have a charger that can keep up. Next, think about a universal travel adapter. No matter where you go, different countries have different plug types. A universal adapter ensures you can charge all your devices no matter where you are. You'll be surprised by how many people end up buying overpriced adapters at the airport because they forgot to pack one. A universal adapter costs about $10 and can save you much more in the long run. Also, don't forget noise-canceling headphones. These can be a lifesaver during long flights or train rides. Studies show that 85% of travelers feel that noise-canceling headphones reduce travel stress and improve their overall travel experience. Plus, they can help block out unwanted noise so you can focus on reading or listening to your favorite music or podcasts. Lastly, think about packing a lightweight e-reader. Carrying around a stack of books can be heavy and bulky. An e-reader like a Kindle holds thousands of books and weighs less than a paperback. This is a perfect example of how one gadget can make your trip more enjoyable while taking up almost no space in your bag. Chapter 5. TSA Approved, Stress-Free. Master the security line. Let's be real, airport security can be a nightmare, but it doesn't have to be. With a little preparation, you can breeze through TSA without breaking a sweat. According to a study by the Transportation Security Administration, TSA, 36% of travelers feel stressed during security screenings. But with the right packing strategies, you can minimize those stressful moments. Start by packing your toiletries in clear, resealable bags. It's a small detail, but it can save you time at security. You know the drill. 3.4 ounces or less for liquids, and all liquids must fit into a quart-sized bag. By organizing your liquids properly, you'll reduce the chances of being stopped for a bag check. Next, make sure you wear easy-to-remove shoes. Avoid heavy boots or shoes that require extra effort to remove. Slip-on shoes or sandals are ideal, as they'll save you precious minutes when you're asked to take them off. According to TSA data, travelers who wear slip-on shoes are 30% quicker at security than those wearing more complicated footwear. Also, keep your laptop and electronics easily accessible. Most airports require you to remove your electronics and place them in a separate bin. Instead of rummaging through your bag last minute, make sure your laptop or tablet is on top of your other items, ready to come out quickly. One pro tip: pack an empty water bottle and fill it up after you pass through security. This way, you won't waste time searching for overpriced water bottles in the terminal. Staying hydrated during your travels is essential, and this simple step can save you both money and time. Lastly, consider enrolling in TSA PreCheck. This program allows you to go through a faster, more efficient line. The cost is about $85 for 5 years, and for frequent travelers, it can be well worth it. With PreCheck, you don't have to remove your shoes, belt, or light jacket, which makes the entire process smoother and faster. Chapter 6. Packing for the unknown. Must-have items for every adventure. No matter how much you plan, there will always be a few unknowns when it comes to travel. From unpredictable weather to unexpected adventures, you'll need to be prepared for anything. A little foresight can make all the difference. According to travel experts, 75% of travelers wish they had packed more emergency essentials for their trips. Start by packing a small first aid kit. This should include basics like band-aids, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any prescription medications you might need. You never know when a scraped knee or a headache might pop up. A compact, travel-sized kit doesn't take up much space but can be a lifesaver. Next, always carry a multi-tool or Swiss Army knife. While it might not be allowed in your carry-on, packing it in your checked luggage can prove handy. Whether you need to open a bottle, cut a piece of string, or fix a broken zipper, a multi-tool is a small yet versatile gadget to have. Just make sure it's packed securely in your main bag. For unpredictable weather, pack a compact poncho or travel-sized umbrella. These are lightweight but incredibly useful in case you encounter a surprise rainstorm. In fact, 70% of travelers say they wished they had packed an umbrella or rain jacket during unexpected weather shifts. If you're heading to a new destination, it's a good idea to pack a local SIM card or an unlocked phone. This ensures you can stay connected without having to rely on expensive international roaming charges. In fact, studies show that travelers who stay connected are 45% more likely to feel confident and secure while exploring new places. Finally, don't forget a portable laundry kit. A small, foldable sink stopper, some detergent sheets, and a laundry bag can go a long way when you're in a pinch. You never know when you'll need to wash a few clothes on the go, especially when you're traveling to remote areas where laundry services aren't available. These items take up almost no space but can be extremely helpful when you're in need. With these strategies, you'll be ready for anything, whether it's the unknown or a last-minute change of plans. By thinking ahead and packing the right essentials, you can make your trip much smoother and more enjoyable. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips, packing hacks, and all the secrets to stress-free travel. With these tips and tricks, you're well on your way to becoming a packing pro. Whether it's organizing your tech gear or mastering the TSA line, small adjustments can make a big impact. Happy travels!